Today learn A to Z capital letter ABCD. A for apple, B for boy, C for cow, D for dog, E for elephant, F for frog, G for green coconut, H for horn, I for igloo, J for jackfruit, K for kite, L for lotus, M for moon, N for nightingale, O for orange, P for pen, Q for quail, R for rose, S for sunflower, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for xylophone, Y for yogurt, Z for zero,